Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about some new products that I actually purchased from Beautylish. I was really excited to try these products and I'm going to be putting them on my face today, so you don't have to. But you guys might already have these products, so I'm going to be talking today about the NATASHA DENONA Hy-Glam Powder Foundation Blurring Flex Tech Hybrid Powder. I got the shade Y8 Y9. Yeah, so this is the shade that I got and I'm really excited to try it. Now it does say it comes with a little powder provider, which is just underneath the powder itself, which is this cute little thing here. It's just your typical sponge. It does have a little place where you can insert your fingers in, like so, to obviously dab in the powder. Now I have a broken wrist, so obviously when I apply this I'm going to be doing it with my right hand, but I am sort of left hand dominant, if that makes any sense, and I'm sure that there's some of you out there that are left hand dominant as well, but actually use your right hand to write. So I'm so excited to try this. You do get 12.5 grams of product in here and 0.44 ounces. And this is NATASHA DENONA's latest product in terms of powder. The reason that I actually bought this, I was really intrigued by Wayne Goss's video and seeing how much he loved it. And although when I saw this when it first came out, I was obviously intrigued to buy and very curious at actually purchasing it, I didn't go ahead and do it. And the only review that I have seen on this being used is Wayne Goss's video, and I see how he used it just as basically making it sort of like a light to medium coverage. Well, was it light to medium or sheer to light? I think it was medium coverage that he got out of this, and I think that he didn't want to actually obviously build it up. On my face at the moment is just last night's skincare. If I was going to be using this as a sole product, I would definitely be going in and doing some sort of primer first, but maybe for the sake of this video I'm just going to leave it as bare skin. And I just want to see what NATASHA DENONA actually recommends in terms of doing this. I just want to quickly read out what she actually says is the best preparation for applying this product. As a foundation, use the sponge provided in the component to apply the powder onto the skin for a seamless medium coverage finish. As a setting powder, apply with a face brush or powder puff across desired areas of the face. So, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this. My face obviously has nothing on it. Like I said, it's just last night's skincare, and I want to see how this goes, just like that. Little powder puff. Oh, I'm really excited. I'm just gonna do this, swirl around it. Picked up about that much. And let's go ahead and do the right side of my face. Ooh! My goodness, this is so soft. I mean, is the sponge just so soft, or is it the product? I'm going to do one half of my face so we can see. So that is the shade that I got. Now I opted to get a more of a yellow based formula than a rosy toned neutral olive undertone formula. Why? I felt like getting more warmer, and I thought, getting a more yellow based tone would suit me for the warmer months in winter where I didn't look so grey and drab. I thought, why not make it a little bit more warmer? So let's have a look and see. I'm just going to get a bit more and apply it down one half side of my nose, like that. A bit more. I'm trying to get it right smack bam in the middle there. There we go. This is so velvety soft. Oh my goodness. Wow. Just going to do my chin, corner of my mouth, obviously under my nose. Oh my goodness guys, so this is the product with the powder, without. Now you can still see my brown spot peeping through, and you know, it has sort of made it fade a little bit, but I'm just going to apply a little bit more to see if it actually can cover it. So dipping a bit more into the powder and pressing onto my brown spot. I didn't actually swipe, I'm pressing, and it's almost covered it. But I would be very careful if doing this technique. You don't want to bring attention to a powdered part that's been dabbed compared to being swept across the skin, if you know what I mean. But I'm actually really happy with that. Now the feel of this is absolutely beautiful. It feels like silk. It feels buttery soft. For oily skin, I think this is going to be a game changer. Now for dry skin, I really have no idea how this is going to perform. I would say applying your normal applying your normal serum, primer, hydrating moisturizer is going to be the best way for you guys to go in terms of not having your product look dry and cakey, because this is really a true powder. How this holds up throughout the end of the day, only time will tell, but I will leave a comment in the description below of how this performed, because at the time that I'm filming this right now, it's 9:26 a.m. in the morning. That's the product. I'll just zoom you guys in. What I'm actually going to do now is I'm not going to go ahead and put any moisturizer or primer on this side of the face, because I just really like the fact that this finish is beautiful. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side of my face, and I do have another product that I am excited to try today as well. So let's just put this on first, just getting rid of the many eyelashes that I have fallen on my face. I really do love the sponge that this comes with. I'm going to go ahead and put this under my eyes as concealer. Oh my goodness, this feels just incredible. Honestly guys, I really am kind of amazed at how this is going. I've got only last night's eye cream on. I'm just going to do the eyelids as well. And this is so far what it's looking like on the back of my sponge. I'm just taking down the remainder of that product that's on the back of my sponge down my neck. It is a really sunny day in Sydney today, so I'm just using natural daylight to film this video. Loving this product. I'm going to put this one away. Now the second product that I have to try, and I'm so excited to try this, it's by Danessa Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Lowlighter. And I got the shade Low Key. And what this is a texture reducing blurring balm to powder with a soft matte color that subtly low lights and blurs for a natural lifted glow. How to: tap on with finger or brush to face, eyes and lips. So I'm just going to get this out of the packaging. And this comes in like 6 different shades, I believe. This is more of a peachy shade. Comes in this packaging like this. And that is, how cute is this little jar? Compact, I should say. That's the information there on the back. I don't know if you guys can see it. You probably can't, because I can't either. Unscrew the cap, and this is the color Low Key. So I'm just going to obviously go ahead and use this as just a normal blush, and I'm dipping into this with my fingers. It feels really like a balm actually. I'm just breaking it in for the very first time. Let's actually swipe a little bit of that just on my finger here, just to see what the shade looks like. It's like very, very sheer, almost like a peachy pink. Okay, here we go. Cheeks. And I'm just applying this as I would as a normal cheek color. I will obviously go ahead and put this on my lips and my eyes as well, but this is supposed to be a low lighter. Playing up on obviously highlighter, right? And it's a cream to powder, well, balm to powder finish. I'm just going to build that up and taking that up to the temples. And that's the product there. I love the color. I'm loving the finish. Not tacky whatsoever. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and put it on my eyes now. As a one and done eyeshadow color. That's actually quite pretty. With a really nice flick of black eyeliner. That would look honestly really, really fresh and pretty. So really loving that. Gonna go ahead and do the other side. I love the fact that new formulas for cream products are coming out, cream to powder products are coming out. I'm actually finding this better than the Bare Minerals Bounce and Blur powder. Although I love that product so much, I find that it's a bit too like tacky, sort of like clay feeling when you put it in when you touch it in your fingers. But this one feels so smooth and soft, like a true balm. Put that on my eyes. Just whacking it on haphazardly, guys. So like unfussed as to the placement of this, because you just can't go wrong. You really just cannot go wrong. And what I'm going to do is I will pause the video, put on some mascara. Maybe I'll do some eyeliner and I'll show you the complete look. But before I do that, I will put some on my lips. Going onto my lips now. I would definitely recommend exfoliating your dry cracked lips before putting on this product, because it's going to enhance every crack in your lips. But the color is pretty, and what I will do is put on some lip liner as well. So I will be back. I'm going to make this look a lot less chapped looking just by putting on a little bit of lip liner. I'm not going to put on any gloss whatsoever, but I do want to sort of just define the edges of my lips a little bit, and I will be back. So guys, Yummy Mummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder Lowlighter. It is. Oops. Got the NATASHA DENONA sticker sticking to that. Absolutely gorgeous. I will be back in 2 ticks. Okay guys, so I'm back with a full face of my makeup. When I say full face, I just went and put a little bit of the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. I did my mascara with the Rimmel, I think it's the Volume Lash mascara, and then I lined my lips with the gel lip liner by AOA Beauty in the shade, what's this one? Howdy. What are my thoughts on these products? And guys, I have to tell you, I'm so happy that I did actually purchase these products, and I will be definitely using these. This powder is so great for that one and done foundation look. I presume it's going to be absolutely phenomenal over any kind of primer that you decide to put it on. I don't dare say that it will pile up. However, I am going to definitely try this in the future with a moisturizer underneath, obviously a sunscreen, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be just as beautiful, because the sensation of this going on your skin, it's so sheer, it's so light. And obviously if you want to just use it as a dusting powder, you've got the option of getting a big fluffy brush and dusting that over your face and using that as a finishing powder. So there's also that. Excellent product, so glad I got it. And I think the shade that I got is actually spot on. So the Y8, Y9 is perfect for my skin tone. And the Danessa, and obviously going back to this blurring powder in low key, beautiful one and done for achieving that monochromatic look. If you just couldn't be fussed about what colors to put on your eyes, on your cheeks, on your lips, this is absolutely beautiful. It does come in 6 other shades, so a winner in my books. Well, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you have a lovely rest of the week. Bye for now.